Hey race fans, welcome to the second race in our June race series where we run 5 races, get rid of everybody who hasn't got a point, and then every race we drop the worst car. First race, the orange windowed black car finished first, and we lined them up based on points for the first 2 rows, and then the last 3 rows were random. Let's race, let's see what happens. Who's your pick to win? Let's go. They're all jockeying for position. They're all stuck on the sidewall right now. Oh, there goes the green truck and the red car. They both got in the points last time. There goes 2 more that were, or 1 more that was in the points. They have a wide open field. There goes the school bus. The yellow car and the 10th place guy. Green one's out. We're down to 4.
Down to 4, 2 of which got points last time. The sombrero and then that red car. Dragonfly and the elongated blue car are trying to get on the leaderboard. Get them to speed up a little and see what happens. See who's going to win. Who is your pick? They're all stuck together pretty well. The advantage and disadvantage of the open wheeler cars. Dragonfly looks like he's parked on the sombrero in that blue car. Oh, blue car's on the move. Oh, right back to the other position. Very open, it's getting fast and furious. Come on, guys. Let's go for the win. I'm going to pick the sombrero. He's got the best pass.
Here we go. Red car finishes 4th. Sombrero 3rd, the Dragonfly 2nd, and this blue car is going to fall off the back. He finished out of the points last time. Let's hit the replay and see who else got points and finished in the top 10. Okay, race fans, the race 2 results are in. The blue skinny car won it, got 12 points. Dragonfly got 10. Sombrero got 8. The red race car with the big shiny engine in the back got 7. Green car got 6. The black 1932 Ford got 5. There was a statistical tie, a photo finish for the yellow fire truck and the big stack car, and fans are going crazy on that. They each got 3.5. The blue 07 Corvette got 2, and the school bus got 1. Let's move on to race 3.